Hello everyone. Let us see this second exercise. First problem we have given m is 2012 and n is 20 minus 12. We have to find m plus 2n. So here you have to find m plus 2n. So m plus 2n. Now we write the value of m here. This is 2012 plus we write 2 times. Now here n value of n is 20 minus 12. Okay, this is matrix n. So m plus 2n, this is equals to, this is 2012. Here it is 2 into, so we multiply by 2. 2 into 2 we get 4. 2 into 0 it is 0. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 and 2 into 2 4. Now simply you have to add term by term. So this 2 will be added with 4. This 0 with 0. This 1 with minus 2 and then this 2 with 4. So this is 2 plus 4 is 6. This is 0. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and 2 plus 4 is 6. So 6 0 minus 1 6 is your answer for m plus 2n. This is first problem. Now here the second problem. A and B are given. We have to find a 2a minus 3b. So in solution it is 2a minus 3b. So this is 2 times the value of a is 20 minus 31, then minus it is 3 times the value of b is 01 minus 23. So let us first multiply 2 with all these elements. So it is 2 into 2 4, then 2 into 0 0. This is minus 6 and this is plus 2. Minus here 3 into 0 is 0. Now 3 into 1 we have 3 and here it is 3 to the 6 minus 6. Now you see I am not multiplying minus 3. If you multiply by minus 3, then here this sign will change to plus. Okay, so I am just multiplying by 3 and I am keeping this minus side out. Now 3 3 the plus 9. It is your choice. You can multiply with minus 3 also. Then in that case here you have to write plus sign. So here it is 4 and this is minus sign, so 4 minus 0. 0 minus 3 minus 6 and this is minus minus, it will become plus 6 and 2 minus 9. So your final answer 4 minus 0 is 4. This is minus 3. This is 0 and this is minus 7. So this is the final answer. Second question. Now this third question is simplify sin a into sin a minus cos a sin a plus cos a into cos a sin a minus sin a cos a. So first we will multiply by sin. So this bracket will become sin a into sin a is sin square a. Then this second term it is minus sin a into cos a. Then here it is sin a cos a. This term is sin a into cos a. And then this term is sin a into sin a is sin square a. Plus now I will multiply by cos. So cos a into cos a is cos square a. Then cos a into sin a is sin a into cos a. Then cos a into minus sin a is minus, here it is minus sin a into cos a. And then this cos a into cos a is cos square a. Okay. So now we add, this is sin square a and this is plus cos square a. The second term here we have minus sin a into cos a plus here we have sin a into cos a. Now here in second row here we have sin a into cos a minus sin a into cos a. and this term here is, it is sin square A plus cos square A. So if you have done this trigonometric topic, then this sin square A plus cos square A, its value is 1 and this value is 0. This value here it is 0 and here it is 1. Okay. So if you have done this trigonometric topic, then you can solve this problem easily. If you have not done this trigonometric topic, okay, then wait, you mark this question, and once you do this trigonometric chapter, then you come here and attempt this problem again. Right, third question. Now this fourth problem, here we have three matrices A, B and C, and we have to find A plus 2B minus 3C. So what is the problem? Simple. Okay, all the three matrices you can solve simultaneously. You can solve, means here you have A plus 2B minus 3C. Okay, so you write the value of A first. It is 1, 2, minus 2 and 3. Then you have plus 2 times the value of B is minus 2, minus 1, 1 and 2. Then minus 3C. The value of C is 0, 3 and 2 minus 1. Now A plus 2B minus 3C. So this is equals to, here this 1 plus here this second term will be 2 into minus 2. You can either you first multiply with 2, multiply with 3 and then calculate, or you can calculate in one step. Here it is 1, here it is plus 2 times this minus 2, then here it is minus 3 times this 0. This is your first element. Second element in first row will be here 2, we have 2, then 2 times we have minus 1 and then minus 3 times we have 3. In the second row we have minus 2 plus 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2, and this part is here what we write minus here we have 3. Okay, so start with 3. So 3 plus 2 into 2 minus 3 into minus 1. So this will be equal to, now 1, this is 1 minus 4 and then this is 0, and here it is minus 2 plus 2 and then this is minus 6. Here we have 2 minus 2 and minus 9. Here we have 3 plus 4 plus 3. Okay, so this is equals to, now 1 minus 4 is minus 3, 2 minus 2 0 and this is minus 9. This minus 2 plus 2 will cancel and this is minus 6, and this 3 plus 4 7 and 7 plus 3 10. So this is your solution. So see what I have done, I have calculated in one step. Okay, for addition or subtraction we have to add or subtract the consecutive terms, and if there is multiplication then that number is multiplied by each and every element of the matrix. So 2 is going to be multiplied with all these 4 numbers. So 1 and then here 2 into minus 2. Okay, we will take first element only because here it is first element, and here also we will take the first element 3 into 0. So this whole calculation will be my first element of the result. Okay, similarly I get second element of first row, then first element of second row and second element of second row. Okay, and then I will simplify, and after simplification this is the answer. Okay, this is fourth problem. So here we have fifth problem. If A is 0 minus 1 1 2 and B is 1 2 minus 1 1, we have to find the matrix X, and the condition is given in the first problem the condition is that this 3a plus x is equals to b. We know matrix A and matrix B, we have to find x. So therefore if we simplify, what we get x is equals to b minus 3a. Okay, so x is equals to b minus 3a, therefore I will say that this is, now the value of b we have 1 2 minus 1 1, it is 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 3 times the value of a is 0 minus 1 1 2. So this is equals to, therefore we have x is equals to, now here we have 1 minus 3 into 0 plus 2 minus 3 into minus 1, then here we have, this is minus 1 minus 3 into 1, and here we have plus 1 1 minus 3 into 2. Okay, 1 minus, acha, sorry, one mistake I have done. Why we are writing plus or minus here in between? We should not write anything. Yes, so this is equals to, now this is equals to, this is 1 and then this 2 plus 3, this is minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, and here it is 1 minus 6. So this finally will give me the value of x is, here it is 1, 3 plus 2 it is 5, it is minus 4, and this is minus 5. This is x. Okay. Our second question is x minus 3b equal to 2a. Second question is x minus 3b equal to 2a. Yes. So from here what we can say about x? X is equals to 2a plus 3b. So it is equals to 2 into the value of matrix A is 0 minus 1 1 2, 0 minus 1 1 2, and plus 3 times b, and the value of b is 1 2 minus 1 1. So therefore x, we get, therefore the value of x is equals to 2 into 0, it is 0, it is minus 2, it is plus 2, and it is 2 to the 4, plus, now here 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, and 3 into 1 is 3. So therefore finally I have x is equals to, x is equals to, here we have 0 plus we have 3, then here we have minus 2 plus we have 6, then here we have 2 minus 3, and here we have 4 plus 3. So therefore finally we get x is equals to, x is equals to 3, here we have 4, here we have minus 1, and here we have 7. X is equals to 3 4 minus 1 7, right? This is second problem. Fifth. Now next problem. Sixth problem is solve the matrix equation. Now this equation is like any other algebraic equation we are solving. In the same way we are solving this equation also. Here it is minus 3x. So let us bring this minus 3 on right, or let us keep this minus 3 here. But when you keep minus 3 here, it will be little difficult for you to calculate x, as you have to divide by a minus 3 number. So what we do, we bring this minus 3x on right hand side. So it is 2 1 5 0. When this right hand side will bring on left, this will become minus. Now here we have minus 7, 4, 2 and 6, and this minus 3x will move on right and it will become plus 3x. So therefore I will subtract the value 2 minus minus, it will be plus, so it is 2 plus 7, 1, here we have 1, minus 4, here I have 5, then this is minus 2, and here I have 0, minus 6. This is equals to 3x. So therefore we can say that 3x is equals to, now this 3x I am writing in left and this whole term on right side. So this 2 plus 7 is 9, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, 5 minus 2 is 3, and 0 minus 6 is minus 6. So this is 3x, and this 3x will give me x is equals to, I will divide by 3, right? We will say it is 1 upon 3 into this 9 minus 3 and this 3 and this minus 6. So this is equals to, now divide each term by 3. So 9 upon 3 will give you 3, minus 3 upon 3 will give you minus 1, 3 upon 3 it is 1, and minus 6 upon 3 is minus 2. So this is your result, x is equals to 3 minus 1, 1 minus 2. This is our sixth question. Now let us see this seventh problem. Question number 7. Now seventh problem, if this matrix plus 2m is this, then find the value of m. So first let us write what is given. 1 4 minus 2 3 plus this 2m is equals to 3 times 3 2 0 minus 3. Okay, so therefore this 2m is equals to, now this 3 will multiply by 3, so it is 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6, this is 0, and 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Minus this will go on this right hand side, so it will be 1 4 minus 2 3. This is the value of 2m, which is equals to, now here it is 9 minus 1, 6 minus 4, 0 plus 2, and minus 9 minus 3. So this is 9 minus 1 is 8, 6 minus 4 is 2, 0 plus 2 is 2, and this is minus 12. This is the value of 2m. Okay, so therefore m is equals to, it is 1 upon 2 times 8 2 and 2 minus 12. So we divide by 2 and we will get answer as 2 4 are 8, 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, and 2 6 are 12. So m is equals to 4 1 1 minus 6. This is the value of m. Seventh problem. Now let us see eighth question. Now here in eighth question, it is given that a is 2 minus 6 2 0, b is minus 3 2 and 4 0, and c is 4 0 0 2. We have to find matrix x such that a plus 2x is equals to 2b plus c. Okay, so a plus 2x. So a plus 2x, we have given solution, we will write a plus 2x is equals to 2b plus c. So therefore I can say that this 2x is equals to 2b plus c minus a is equals to 2 into matrix B is minus 3 2 4 0 plus value of C is 4 0 0 2 and minus A. The value of A is 2 minus 6 2 0. Okay, so we got the value of 2x. Okay, so this is equals to, now 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 4 8, and 2 into 0 is 0, plus here we have, now if I want I can calculate these two matrices together, or let us solve all these three matrix together. Okay, so this 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, then here plus we have 4, then here we have minus 2. Okay, now second element 2 into 2 we have 4, then plus we have 0, and then minus and minus 6, it will become plus 6. Here 2 into 4, it is 2 for the 8, then 2 into 2 into 4 is 8, then here we have plus 0, and here we have minus 2. Then on this side we have 2 into 0, 2 into 0 is 0, plus here we have 2, and then here we have minus 0. So this is equals to 2x. So therefore 2x is equals to minus 6 plus 4, it is minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 and minus 2. So minus 2 is minus 4. 4 plus 6, it is 10. 8 minus 2, it is 6, and 2 minus 0, 2, it is 2. So therefore we get value of x as 1 upon 2, this is minus 4, 6, 10, 2. So therefore x is equals to, this is minus 2, this is 5, this is 3, this is 1. X is equals to minus 2, 3, 5 and 1. This is the value of x. Now the ninth question we have is find x and y if x plus y is 7 0 2 5 matrix and x minus y is this 3 0 and 0 3. So here we have given the value of x plus y as 7 0 and 2 5. Let us consider this is first equation, and second we have given x minus y as 3 0 and 0 3. This is second equation. Now if we add this equation 1 and 2, if we add equation 1 and 2, so this x and x, it will give me 2x, and here on right hand side this y and y will cancel. Here on right hand side 7 plus 3, okay, the corresponding terms you have to add 7 plus 3, then the second will be 0 plus 0. Here this is 2 plus 0, and here this is 5 plus 3, right? Corresponding elements we are adding, right? Because here we have to add these two equations. So this 2x will become 7 plus 3 10, 0, 2 and 8. So this we get 2x. So therefore x, the value of x, I will say that therefore x is equals to, now it is 1 divided by 2, and here we have 10, 0, 2, 8. So this is equals to 2 5s are 10, this is 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 5 0 and 1 4, this is the value of x. Okay, ninth problem. Now here we got the value of x, now we have to find value of y. There are two ways, either I put the value of x in any of the equation, or as I add these two equations I can subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So let us substitute. Okay, let us substitute. Say put x is equals to this 5014, put x is equals to this in equation 1. So therefore we have 5014 plus this matrix y is equals to, here x plus y we have 7 0 and 2 5, 7 0 2 5. So therefore the value of y is equals to, here we have 7025 minus we have this 5014. So therefore it will give me, therefore I get y is equals to, now 7 minus 5, 2, 0 minus 0 we have 0, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. So the value of y is 2011. So the value of x and value of y. Value of x we got 5014. So finally we write, so therefore x is equals to 5014. These are 4 element, 5014. Okay, this is the value of x and the value of y is 20 and 11. 2011 is the value of y. So x and y we got. Okay, this is our question number 9. Now let us move to question number 10. Now 10th problem is 2 times x 7 9 y minus 5 plus 6 minus 7 4 5 equal to this matrix 10 7 22 15. We have to find the value of x and y. So the problem is simple. You have to just add, multiply, whatever rule you know. This is x 7, this is 9, this is y minus 5. Then we have plus, here we have 6 minus 7, 4 and 5, and this is equals to, here we have 10 7 and 22 15. Now 2 times this matrix plus this, so therefore we have 2 times, when we multiply by 2, so we will get 2x plus, here we have 6, then second term will be 2 into 7 14, minus we have 7 here, then 2 into 9 18, and then we have plus 4 here. Then last term, this is 2y minus 10, and then we have 5 here. And on right hand side we have 10 7 22 15. Okay, so therefore if we compare this 2x plus 6 is equals to 10, so we will say that by equality of matrix. You have learned this in last exercise, right? Remember it? By equality of matrix, we can say that this 2x plus 6 is equals to 10. If I simplify, I get 2x equal to 10 minus 6. So this gives me the value of x is equals to 10 minus 6 is 4, and then we divide by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So x is equals to 2. Similarly, this term, because we wanted to find y, this term. Okay, you can see that 14 minus 7 is 7. Yes, it is matching. 18 plus 4 is 22. This is matching. So this 2y minus 10 plus 5, that is, I will say that 2y minus 5. On left hand side, this is equals to 15. So this gives me 2y equal to 15 plus 5 equal to 20. Now how this 2y minus 5 is 15? See, compare. What you compare? You compare this part. You compare this part with this part. 2y minus 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. So on solving, we get the value of y is equals to 20 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So value of x is 2. So therefore I got value of x is 2 and value of y I got 10. Value of y is 10. This is the value of x and y. This is 10th question. Now let us proceed with 11th question. Now this 11th problem is 2 times this matrix plus this matrix is equals to this matrix. I have to find the value of x, y and z. So again 2 times we have 3 4 5x plus here we have 1y01 is equals to, here we have z0 10 and 5. So therefore we multiply, we get 2 into 3, it is 6, and this is plus 1, 6 plus 1 first element, then 2 into 4, this is 8 plus y, this is second, 2 into 5, 2 into 5 is 10 plus 0, and then 2x plus 1. This is on left hand side, and on right hand side we have z0 10 and 5. So again we say that by equality of matrix, this 6 plus 1 7 is equals to z. Then this 10 plus 0, it is 10 given. 8 plus y, 8 plus y, sorry, this is 8 plus y. So 8 plus y is given z. Okay, now I don't know the value of y, but I know the value of z. So this will give me 8 plus y is equals to 7. And from here we get y is equals to 7 minus 8, which is minus 1. The value of y we understood. Now this 2x plus 1. After comparing we get 2x plus 1 is equals to 5. So this will give me the value of 2x as 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. And from here we get the value of x is 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, so therefore we have x is 2, we have y as minus 1, and we have z as 7. So value of x, y and z we got. Okay, now next problem. Now here is the 12th question. We have 5 2 minus 1 y plus 1 minus 2 times, here we have 1 2x minus 1 and 3 and minus 2 is given equal to 3 minus 8 minus 7 and 2. So therefore I have 5 minus 2 into 1, we have 2. Then second element is 2 minus, here it is 2 into 2, x is minus 4x, and then minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Now second, here we have minus 1 and this is minus 6. Then here we have y plus 1 and here we have 2 plus 2 4, 2 into 2 is equals to, on right hand side we have 3 minus 8 minus 7 and 2. So therefore I will say this 5 minus 2 is 3, minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7, 2 plus 2 we have 4, 4 minus 4x, and here we have y plus 4 plus 1 is 5, and this is equals to, here we have 3 minus 8 minus 7 plus 2. Now by equality of matrix let us compare. This first element, this is 3 equal to 3, that is okay. The second 4 minus 4x, it is equals to minus 8. So from here we get minus 4 is equals to minus 8 minus 4, which is minus 12. So therefore from here we get x is equals to minus 12 divided by minus 4 is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 we got. Second, y plus 5 is equals to 2. Now y plus 5 is equals to 2. From here we get y equal to 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So x is plus 3 and y is minus 3. Okay, simple, we got the answer. Okay, 2 questions there are remaining that you can solve yourself. Okay, try to solve the problem by yourself. So next question 13. Now here in 13th problem we have to find the value of a, b and c, and what is given? We have given a 3 4 2 plus 2b 1 minus 2 minus 1 1 minus 2c is equals to 5 0 and 7 3. Okay, this is what given. I have to find the value of a, b and c. Okay, so again therefore we add element by element, corresponding elements we add. So here we have a plus 2 minus 1, then the second element we have 3 plus b minus 1. Here in the second row we have 4 plus 1 minus minus it is plus 2, and this fourth element we have 2 minus 2 and minus c, and on right hand side we have 5073. So this will give me, therefore what I will get, I will get a plus 2 minus 1, it is a plus 1, here it is b plus 2, here it is 4 plus 3 7, and here 2 minus 2 0, it is minus c, and on right hand side we have 5073. Okay, so again by equality of matrix, we have this a plus 1 is equals to 5, and from here we get a is equals to 5 minus 1 4, then b plus 2 equal to 0, from here we get b equal to minus 2, and third we have minus c equal to 3, so from here I get c is equals to minus 3. So this is the value of a, b and c, right? Now let us see the last question. So in all the questions I hope you are getting what we are doing. Okay, simply we are adding, subtracting, and then using the equality concept, that is equality of two matrix indicates that the corresponding terms are equal. Now let us see this last question, 14th problem. So this 14th question is, if a, b and c given and 5a plus 2b is c, then we have to find the value of a, b and c, small abc. So we have given that matrix A, pi times matrix A plus 2 times matrix B is equals to matrix C. So therefore 5 times matrix A is 2A minus 3 5 plus 2 times B. B is minus 2 3, and we have 7B minus 2 3 and 7B is equals to C, and the value of C is given as C9 minus 1 minus 11. This is ABC. Okay, so therefore I will say that therefore this is 5 to the 10. Okay, 5 to the 10, and then 2 into minus 2, it is minus 4. Then second term 5 into A is 5A plus 2 into 3 is 6 minus 15, and 5 plus 5 find this is minus 15, and here 2 into 7, this is 14, and last term 5 into 5 25, and then 2 into b is 2b plus 2b. On right hand side it is 9 minus 1 minus 11. Equality of matrix, we apply equality of matrix and we get 10 minus 4 is 6. This is 5a plus 6, here it is minus 1, here it is 25 plus 2b, and this is equal to, this is equals to C9 minus 1 minus 11. Okay, this by equality of matrix statement we should write here. Okay, we will not write this by equality of matrix here. We say that therefore by equality, so by equality of matrix we have this 6 is equals to C, so we get the value of C. Then we have 5a plus 6 is equals to 9, so 5a plus 6 is equals to 9, therefore we get the value of 5a as equals to 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. So therefore a will be 3 upon 5, and this 25 plus 2b is equals to minus 11. 25 plus 2b is minus 11, therefore the value of 2b is minus 11 minus 25 is equals to minus 36. So the value of B will become minus 18. Okay, so value of B is minus 18, value of A is, so therefore finally what we can say that key value of A is 3 divided by 5, value of B is minus 18, and value of C is plus 6. So value of A, B and C, we got the value of A, B and C, right? Okay, so this is our second exercise. In this second exercise we understood that the problems are simple. What we have to do, we have to just apply the operations of matrix, that is addition, subtraction and multiplication of a matrix by some number. Okay, and we also applied in the last questions that equality of matrix, that is when two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are also going to be equal, right? Okay, thank you.